Do you know some ushers, event hostesses earn up to 15, 20, 25, 30,000 a day? Yes, these hostesses can work 5 times a week. They get called for jobs regularly. That amounts to 150 to 200,000 in a week. Let's not talk about how much they earn a year. These hostesses are in Nigeria. Yes, Nigeria. These hostesses are premium hostesses. Who are premium hostesses, you might ask? These hostesses are premium, beautiful, elegant, young ladies. They are well groomed, they scent nice, they have nice, good looking skin. They are concerned about their overall physical appearance, their manis and pedis, and all. Aside the physical appearance, they speak eloquently. They understand proper etiquette, dining etiquette. They understand guest satisfaction. They are well skilled at crowd control, crowd management. They walk graciously, beautiful, have nice smiles. These are premium hostesses. They look it, talk it, walk it, speak it. They're just it. And you know what? These ladies are sought after. Most importantly, these ladies are few in the industry. They're not so much. Out of 100% of hostesses in Nigeria, just 10% are premium hostesses. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're a new subscriber, kindly click on the subscribe button below to subscribe. I still remain Lovina Emmanuel, a simple Nigerian event hostess, event coordinator, and event planner in training. Let's get right into this video. Hi guys, so let's get right into this video. Who are premium hostesses? These hostesses are high valued hostesses, like simple and short, high value. They get paid more to usher at events, they get paid more to host events. The same regular things that other regular hostesses do or ushers do. It's what they do basically, but they look good. Like open and close, they look good. They pay more attention to their appearance. They look good. Their skin is beautiful and clear. They pay attention to their pedis and manis. They always have nice nails on. They always look good. They smell nice. They look beautiful. You don't even have to second guess if they are beautiful or not. So other people that are beautiful and it is beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, that kind of beauty. Nah, not that kind of beauty. Like outrightly beautiful. You look at them and you're like, oof, this person. They don't look like they need the job. They don't look like they need the job, even if most times they do need it for the money and all. But they don't look like they do need it. They look clean, nice skin. They look like they eat well. Those are premium hostesses. So to become a premium hostess, you have to pay more attention to your looks, to your grooming, to how you look, how you smell, what you look like. Those things are very, very, very important. To your facials. I know a lot of people that don't even pay much attention or consideration to what they do, how their skin looks like. Are they using the right skin regimen, the right skin routine? These ones pay special care and attention to that. Very, very important. In as much as they carry themselves graciously, they speak eloquently, and they're very effective in their job, they still look good. What are those things you have to do to appear or look like a premium usher? One, pay attention to your skincare. Yes, have a skincare routine. So I have a video actually that about my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine, my night skincare routine. I will put in the link in this particular video so I get to watch it. It will help you. It's actually budget friendly, very very budget friendly. At most 15,000 naira will get you everything you need, from your cleanser to your toner to serum of your choice, moisturizer, sunscreen very important. So all those things are what you do to make your skin look nice. And then you take supplements from time to time. These supplements like vitamin C, multivitamins, all those things that help your skin look good, that slows down the aging process. What you need, you take a lot of water, you eat nice, eat well, vegetables, fruits, you exercise regularly. So all those things are what you need to actually look good. So another thing is they do understand the etiquette. Yes, etiquette. From dining etiquette to signaling. For instance, you are at an event, serving guests as usual, and then a guest is done eating and he pushes his or her plates forward, takes his napkin, cleans his mouth or wipe his mouth, and keeps napkin on the table, and places his fork and knife or spoon in a particular manner. It kind of gives an indication of what to do next. Is this guest done eating? Does this guest want more? When they raise up their hands like this, signaling you, you know you have to be there. How do you talk to guests? So a guest is sitting and then you come over to that guest to respond to them. Do you just stand or do you bend down with your hands at your back? Definitely your hands at your back. So all these are like little etiquette and things you need to know even to be like a regular usher. Don't talk of when you want to become a premium usher. All those things are very very important. Your posture, your carriage, the way you walk, your gestures, all these things are important. One of the things many people fail to understand is they are in very very high demand right now. A lot of people are searching for or looking for premium hostesses, these people that look good, to portray their brand or to give the event a luxurious feel. And these are what these hostesses are for. So ways to take advantage of the high demand of premium hostesses. One, take good studio pictures. In as much as we have good camera phones, smartphones, it's still advisable to take good studio pictures. Know your body statistics, very important also. Learn makeup skills. Learn how to do your makeup properly. It takes nothing actually. Here on YouTube, there are so many videos out there on how to do your makeup in less than 10-15 minutes, and then you're ready for any job, but you still do it and you're looking very very good. I would make a quick makeup tutorial as to how I get glammed up in 10-15 minutes and I'm ready for a job. Most ushers, they don't pay attention to their makeup or how do we do their makeup. Most the whole day they don't know how to do the eyebrow. Yeah, so you have to learn how to do your makeup even to be a premium hostess. Perfect your smiling. Speak eloquently, look elegant, know how to walk on heels. All these things are necessary. So we've come to the end of this video. If you got to this particular point, thank you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the button below, subscribe, share, drop your comments, ask your questions. I'll definitely respond to them, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to respond or apply for jobs. How to apply for jobs. There is a right and a wrong way to apply for jobs, and if you apply for jobs the wrong way, you will definitely not be picked. What are the things you have to do? How do you enter somebody's DM? How do you send them a message? What do you post first? What do you send to them? What kind of pictures you send to them? What are your body statistics? I get a lot of people telling me they don't know what body statistics mean. What is your body statistics and how can you find them out? All these things you will learn in my next video. Thank you.